Welcome back. I have a special unboxing to do for today's video. I'm waiting for my daughter and I was about to open up this envelope and I figured why not open it up and share it with you. And so this is a piece of gear that might revolutionize my outdoor experience and yours if you order it. So let's go. Now, if you're curious about why you're even watching this video and why you haven't turned it off yet, it all goes back to 30 years ago in Italy. There was this graduate student who was studying monkeys. They had the monkey's head all hooked up to wires, and when the monkey ate a peanut, a certain part of the brain would light up. When the monkey was had to peel a banana, a certain part of the brain would light up. And one day a graduate student walked into the lab and he went to lick an ice cream cone. And the monkey was hooked up to the electrodes, and all of a sudden he realized on the machine that the part of the monkey's brain that would be lighting up if it was eating an ice cream cone was lighting up even though it wasn't eating an ice cream cone. And so then they did some more experiments where like the grad student ate a peanut and the same part of the monkey's brain lit up that if the monkey had been eating a peanut. And years later, mirror neurons were discovered. So what you're experiencing right now is the same thing that I'm experiencing. The same excitement that I'm feeling, you're feeling. But first, let me tell you why I ordered this thing. I have a backpacking trip coming up, and I have a sleeping bag problem. I ordered a sleeping bag 2 months ago from a company, and they never sent it, and I've been going back and forth, and it's been a pain in the neck, and that's another whole video about why you should never order from this company. But I have no like mid-season sleeping bag. I have winter and I have summer, but I don't have something for like right now. It's going to be in the temperatures will be like from 50 one night all the way down into the high 20s another night, and so I kind of lack that middle sort of sleeping bag. So I ordered one, didn't come, so I'm trying to mishmash some bags together to keep myself warm, and I was like, well, you know, it becomes too heavy. So I was trying to figure out what other weight can I cut back on. So I started thinking about toilet paper. Do I really need to bring all of that toilet paper and all of that weight? Come on, you've thought about this too. So I started thinking, what could I do instead of toilet paper? And that's where this envelope comes in. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. Hold on, let me open this sucker up. This is a backpacking bidet. It comes with two different things. I think this is the one that I would use. And so what you do is you get your water bottle, screw it to the top, you do your business, and you squirt yourself clean. No more toilet paper, no more having to worry about, you know, burying all that toilet paper and making sure it's going to compost and not be ripped up by animals and stuff. The only thing that I will be packing on my next trip is that I believe it's like, I haven't put this on my scale obviously, but I think on the website it was listed at like, I don't know, 0.5 or 0.6 ounces. So I'll see how accurate that is when I get home. But this is my new backcountry backpacking ultra lightweight bidet. I believe that is how you pronounce it, right? So no more toilet paper from my butt and crack. It's only going to be a bidet for the next upcoming trip. So I'll give you my another video on first impressions and does it work, and we'll see how it goes. If it works, I'll let you know. If it doesn't work, I might just pretend this video never happened. All right, so I'll see you in a week on my trip report. Thanks.